Hello. Let's make sauerkraut together. It's the time of the month to make sauerkraut. Well, I do it non-stop because I love it. My name is Natalia Faust, and I'm coming to you live from Port Orange, Florida. Yes, I live in Florida. Love it so much. Wait, I'm getting some water, and once I get some water, I drink some, and I'll show you how I do my sauerkraut. And let me know. I have a lot of new friends. Please let me know where you tuning in from. How's your Sunday going? Most of you probably at the church right now. And if you are getting here on a replay, let me know that you are replay viewer. So I'd love to connect with you later. So if you are here, I just wanted to let you know, I love to come here and share with you some knowledge on how to create healthy body and any tips I learned what helped me or helped my friends. So I always come and share it here on my videos. I love you. That's why I'm sharing it with you. So I'm making sauerkraut non-stop all the time because when you understand the importance of these bacteria, friendly bacteria that create so much health in our body, in our intestines, and healthy body, healthy mind. It means our gut-brain connection. So if you have clean gut and healthy gut, it means that you're gonna feel better. It means that you're gonna have good mood. It means that you're gonna have less anxiety. It's amazing. It's done amazing things for me. So basically, I want to show you how I made it today. What you need just several steps, and basically you only need salt. You need only salt and cabbage. So number one is chop your cabbage, and you can use a food processor, or if you don't have food processor, it's okay. You can use this grater. So not everybody know. I did not know, and then later I find out that I can actually do cabbage on this part of the grater. Hi. So, and if you have food processor, which I use, I bought it at Bed Bath & Beyond, and I use it maybe for 10 years already. The same one, and it works for me good. So I did the dirty work already. I usually ask my kids to do that, but today they are on the racetrack. So look at that. I want you to see that, what I did. So this is my sauerkraut, future, right here. So I don't measure anything. So... And today I actually use fine salt, which is very rare that I do. Okay, so that much salt I'm gonna put. And by the way, I have only 3 cabbages here. So I'm gonna mix them with my hands. So I am actually today gonna add a little bit of caraway seeds. Just a little bit, nothing else. And by the way, if you are... Hi, Stacy. So I'm gonna mix it this way, just like that. It smells so good. Seriously, I love the smell of caraway seeds. And after talking to some friends, I'm in a raw vegan community on the Facebook group, and I love it. There's so much knowledge. I actually eat everything, by the way. So, and they said that cabbage, when you ferment cabbage, it's better ferment only cabbage, not other fruits or vegetables, which I usually add carrots or something, but I actually listened to them and I tried it and I like it. And I think cabbage is the most beneficial vegetable. And it is available probably in every country. So I'm gonna mix it like that. And I see when you add salt, I like to talk to you, so let me put right here. Oops, so you can see me. Okay, so when you add salt, it pulls the water out of this cabbage. And that's how it makes brine. So I already prepared my jar. See how quickly it is? Just a little bit rubbing, little bit loaf. And it is already very it's juicy. It's almost juicy. So I'm not adding anything, any dill, nothing. I'm just putting it right there. Boom. Right here. In a jar. Okay. I love sauerkraut, you know. I put it on everything. I love it on pizza. If I eat pizza, I'm gonna put a lot of cabbage in it. And you know, sauerkraut has so much vitamin C. It's just like if you eat enough of it, like every day, you get like 10 times more of vitamin C content than you would take from any pills. So I prefer food, natural food as my medicine. And I think it's natural food does a good job. I mean, I don't want to brag, but I feel very good. I feel very good. So yes, my sauerkraut, can you see it? Let me know if you want to see something closer, or if you have any questions. I'm here, kids free today, and I'm ready to help you on your journey, because health is our greatest wealth. So as I said, I eat constantly sauerkraut. I eat it with eggs. I eat it with my pizza. I eat it on my salad, on any kind of salad. I would add sauerkraut. Seriously, it is so delicious. If you are in a hurry, it's the best. You have your sauerkraut. You put some spinach. You put some Caesar salad lettuce, romaine lettuce. You can put on it, and you can put sauerkraut, and you can put cooked egg, and you can put avocado later on the run, and it is delicious. I mean, you don't need any salad dressing, because you know they are poisoning us. So if you're watching me live, let me know. I just want to know who is watching with me. Let me a little bit attack right here. So it's me here. Well, you know, there is so many benefits of sauerkraut. I remember I did some video on that. I mean, I love sauerkraut. Literally, I love how it tastes. And if you don't like how it tastes, you just keep eating it. Just like with kids we do. We make sure that they eat and eat all the time. And try and try. So I'm actually already ready with my sauerkraut. It's in a jar. Look at that. Look at this. It's already here in a jar. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press. So it's ready. Press on it. You can use whatever you want. You can put plate and some water, container with water. I use coins. You can put stones, whatever you like. So this is my construction, and that is gonna go under my counter. And I'm gonna put it under counter and let it sit. And I'm gonna check it every single day how it's doing. And if you have like salt problems, you know, some people have to have low salt diet because they eat processed food, and the processed food contains a lot of processed salt with anti-caking chemicals and all this kind of stuff. It's not healthy for us. So they have heart problem, blood pressure, and everything. So you can make actually salt-free sauerkraut. Yeah, did you know that? So yes, mine is with salt, and I'm all done. So I'm so happy that you joined me today. Let me know if it is helpful, or maybe you have some questions. I'm gonna post some pictures for you if you like, and share with your friends if you think it's helpful for you, and maybe it will inspire someone to make sauerkraut. Please share it. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye. See you on my next video.